Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete and remove all likes on Instagram. So all you have to do now is open your Instagram and go to the settings and activity, and you can try to scroll down and try to search your activity here. You can tap it and you can tap likes option, and here all the liked posts, all the liked reels. You can try to sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest, by dates, and all content type. There is posts, reels, threads, and the point is this is all the posts that you like. So you can completely remove all the likes from all the posts. For example, you can select and you can select all the posts here, and you can tap unlike. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the button below. See you in the next video.